Significant transformations are underway at U.S. grocery stores, and during the fall and winter, numerous essential items will become incredibly expensive as demand skyrockets, while supplies struggle to keep up. Food inflation hasn't reached its peak yet, and major companies like Mandalay, the maker of Oreo, are announcing further price increases for the latter half of 2023. Staple products such as frozen pizzas, waffles, and snack cakes are expected to witness steep price hikes, which will undoubtedly surprise American shoppers in the coming months. To keep you informed, we've compiled a list of 15 grocery essentials that are likely to face higher consumer demand and elevated prices for the remainder of the year. First on the list are snack cakes, including Hostess's Twinkies, which are being impacted by soaring costs of sugar, corn syrup, soybean oil, and chocolate both in the U.S. and globally. With multiple ingredients experiencing high inflation this year, food manufacturers are passing on these expenses to retailers, resulting in a projected 14.2% increase in the category's cost this quarter. Prices are expected to rise even further during Halloween and the holiday season, making it a smart move to stock up on these sweet treats now. Next up are cookies and crackers like Oreo and Ritz, as Mandalay has recently announced its fourth price hike in the past year and a half. The Cookie and Cracker Global Market Report for 2023 predicts a 13% increase in demand during the latter half of the year. So, expect these items to become pricier and scarcer as we head into fall and winter. Packaged meat, including pepperoni, jerky, bacon, ham, and sausages, will also see a rise in prices due to higher labor costs, reduced workforce, and other operational challenges faced by meat processors. Prices have been fluctuating rapidly, and the trend is likely to continue, making it wise to seize any deals you find and stock up for the upcoming seasons. Furthermore, packaged mac and cheese is becoming more costly due to dairy shortages and a reduced global supply of flour. The beloved American dish has seen a significant price increase, even on online platforms like Amazon. Similar price hikes are evident across various retailers, so be on the lookout for promotions both online and in physical stores to avoid paying excessively for this simple meal. Apple farmers are facing difficulties cultivating and selling their fruit due to inflation and labor shortages. A report from Fresh Plaza indicates that some apple growers may not have sufficient stock available in the latter half of 2023. Consequently, the current price of a 46-ounce jar of applesauce, which stands at $3.12, might increase to $5 if the full harvest fails to meet expectations in the upcoming months. For numerous households, applesauce is a staple ingredient in various recipes, which means that scarcity and higher prices will compel them to make adjustments to their grocery lists. Buying in bulk could be a cost-saving approach, allowing families to trade or share surplus units with others, both offline and online. Frozen waffles and pancakes, popular and convenient breakfast options, are anticipated to undergo seasonal price changes. As the back-to-school season approaches and temperatures drop, the demand for frozen breakfast foods is expected to rise by 16.43%, according to estimates released by Walmart, a leading retailer in the U.S. Great Value buttermilk pancakes are projected to increase in price from $3.93 currently to $4.48 by the end of the third quarter. Eggo Original Waffles and Kellogg's Blueberry Waffles will see a 40-cent hike, rising from $4.49 to $4.89 by the beginning of September. There is a possibility of further price increases during the winter, although specific data has not been provided. To avoid feeling the impact of these upcoming price hikes, it is advisable to create some freezer space and stock up on these items while they remain more affordable. Grapes have experienced a significant price surge, causing astonishment among consumers. In 2022, a pound of extra-large seedless grapes cost a mere 74 cents, but this year, Target is selling the same amount for $3.89. Growers are attributing this to large-scale crop failures, resulting in the smallest grape harvest in approximately 8 years, leading to tight supplies during peak months. Experts at the Fresh Fruit Portal warn of a potential $1 increase per pound by early October, indicating that grape prices may witness a 7-fold price hike within a year. Ramen and noodles, known for their ease of preparation and availability, have been a budget-friendly option for many. However, the cost-saving aspect has diminished over time. Just a year ago, traditional ramen noodles, such as meat, chicken, and veggie flavors, were priced at 20 to 25 cents per pack, while premium options like shrimp, bone broth, and tonkatsu cost 45 to 55 cents. Presently, due to soaring costs of refined flour, meats, and seafood, this humble dish has become notably more expensive. Traditional flavors can now cost up to 55 cents per pack, while premium selections have risen to 1.10 cents. This trend is expected to persist as ingredient costs continue to rise, so it is advisable to restock your pantry now to avoid paying higher prices. Great value hamburger dill chip pickles packaged in 32 fluid-ounce jars are currently priced at $2.67, representing a modest 8.7% increase from the previous year. However, the pickle industry has been grappling with challenges related to production and distribution in 2023, resulting in supply chain disruptions. As a consequence, the cost of pickles is anticipated to surge between 12 to 17% during the third and fourth quarters of this year. As estimated by experts at thecoldwire.com, this increase is expected to stabilize by the second quarter of 2024. To combat potential inflation and shortages, it might be prudent to stock up on pickles during your next shopping trip. Meanwhile, the production of nuts in 2023 faced a decline of 23%, amounting to 401,000 tons in the U.S. This decrease was attributed to lower yields caused by adverse weather conditions, including storms and flooding, which also affected nut-producing regions globally, resulting in a loss of more than 1 million metric tons of nuts over the last year. Consequently, the prices of nuts, which are known for their energy-packed and convenient nature, are fluctuating and currently retailing at approximately $5.54 to $6.28 for a 22-ounce pack. Notably, the Great Value Omega-3 Trail Mix has experienced a significant jump in price, selling for $8.38. This surge in prices is part of the unprecedented inflationary trend observed in the nut category this year, with relief expected in the second quarter of 2024. With the ongoing meat inflation, Americans are seeking more affordable alternatives to balance their budgets. As a result, there has been a notable increase in the popularity of canned fish, chicken, and turkey, with demand for these items rising by a substantial 26.3%, as reported by the USDA. However, the surge in demand has driven prices higher, with the average cost of a can of chicken projected to rise from $1.42 to $1.99. This price increase can have a significant impact on families on a tight budget, so it is advisable to seek deals and gradually build a stockpile in the coming months. In the chocolate market, despite consistent consumer demand, there is a decline in supplies due to slower production and elevated sugar costs. In June, chocolate prices witnessed a 14% increase, with cocoa prices soaring globally. As a result, we can expect to see a considerable spike in chocolate prices in the next few months, especially with Halloween and the holiday season approaching, affecting various recipes that require chocolate. Breakfast sandwiches, particularly frozen options like the Jimmy Dean sausage egg and cheese croissant sandwich, are expected to experience a surge in price nationwide. Ingredients for these sandwiches have seen a cost increase of 5 to 17% on the wholesale level, and this additional expense may lead retailers to pass on a 20% price hike to consumers. Brands like Jimmy Dean may see their prices rise from $11.62 to $17.33 by early 2024 based on industry estimates. Currently, the world is facing the most significant global rice shortage in 2 decades, as reported by CNBC. The first quarter alone saw a 15% surge in rice prices due to diminishing supplies. Rice, a nourishing and carbohydrate-rich staple, provides our bodies with vital fiber, minerals, and vitamins, supporting our overall health. Its versatility allows for use in various recipes, and when stored correctly, it can remain edible for several years. Preppers consider rice a crucial grain to stock up on in preparation for potential emergencies. Additionally, with restaurant prices becoming too expensive for many Americans, there has been an 11% rise in demand for fruits and pizza, according to Restaurant Business Online. This surge in popularity has resulted in record high prices for store-bought pizzas. For instance, a Red Baron brick oven frozen pizza, which previously cost between $5.12 and $10.42, depending on size and toppings, might now reach a price range of $11.99 to $14.99 due to shortages of tomato sauce, flour, cheese, and other ingredients like pepperoni. This price increase is likely to impact other pizza brands as well. In these unprecedented times, challenges lie ahead, and it's crucial to adapt and prepare for the changes in food availability and costs. Thank you for your watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.